नजर ना लग जाए थू थू। आई ऑर्डर लाइक अ डार्क ब्राउन। मैंने चेक किया ऑर्डर के, फिर से तो नहीं मैंने गलत ऑर्डर कर लिया या गलत कुछ आ गया, यू नो, वहां से ध्यान हट जाता है जो मैंने कांड कर दिया था। तो इट हैज दिस हाई शाइन ग्लॉस लाइक फिनिश, it does not transfer. What's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I'm back with another makeup haul video, and I bought some new makeup launches that were brewing and I just couldn't stop from buying these. So I tried them so that you don't have to, and if they are really worth the coin, I would spill the tea and not gatekeep, I promise. Let's get started. The very first has to be what I'm wearing on my lips. It is a new product from the house of LA Girl. I think it's a season for lip creams or something, because I've seen all brands coming out with their own kind of lip creams, and so did LA Girl. And obviously I love this brand. They have come out with some really good OG products that have been staple till date. So I love testing it out, and oh my god, it is actually so good. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. It is super creamy to apply, moussey in texture, and it's literally like a whip mousse formula. Love it. It's super smoothing on the lips. You know, it just blurs down the lines on the lips and does not exaggerate the fine lines if you have like mine. But it's a beautiful light brown nude color on my skin tone. It's the shade Love Me. I would have the buying links mentioned in the description box. You can check it out from there. And that's not it. They literally came out with so many nude colors. But I was like contemplating Luya Nalu. So I just picked one because I've had a bad time with lipsticks lately because I pick so many shades and I end up not liking the formula. So I thought this time, like, let's just buy one, but it turned out so good. So now Nidhi is thinking to buy more shades. Okay, so the price of this one is 1095 rupees, while you can get it on a discounted price for 875 only, and that is the new launch on Amazon. You can check it out. From there, it's the LA Girl Lip Haze, a blurring soft matte lip color, just like the name, velvet cushion like formula. It's very comfortable on the lips, non-drying, non-flaky, non-sticky, long lasting as well. And the only thing is that इसे dry होने में समय लगता है, almost like 4 to 5 minutes लग जाएंगे for it to completely dry down and become transfer proof. Transfer proof है, very negligible transfer होगा if you're eating or drinking. That's it. But overall, it just looks so good on the lips, and I truly loved it. And then another lip cream that I picked up was from Focallure. So I saw this and I was like, a transfer proof lip cream I wanted, because they stated it to be a watery transfer proof lip cream, and सब opposite kind of words साथ में उन्होंने add किए थे. So I was so intrigued. I was like, what is the formula exactly? I need to try it. So I picked up this color. Sadly I feel इसके अलावा कोई दूसरा कलर मैंने ट्राई किया था तो maybe ज़्यादा अच्छा ऑप्शन होता. This is kind of light for my skin tone, but still it's a beautiful light pink nude, not more like a peachy nude as they've stated it. It's more like a pink nude on my skin tone and my pigmented lips. Okay, now this has a very thin watery gel like consistency. You see the texture over there, and once you apply it, it just translates just like that. Now a heads up, it does not have an opaque pigmentation to it. It's lightweight, very thin gel like consistency. Air light on the lips, does not feel like you're wearing anything, non-sticky, non-tacky at all. Also, the best part is that though it has this high shine gloss like finish, it does not transfer. Like literally only the glossiness would transfer, but the pigment just stays. It's literally like the Maybelline vinyl lip inks, but in a lip cream formula that's super lightweight and just does not transfer, because that is like thoda sa chipchippy gooey formula. This is extremely lightweight. I don't know what they've done, but this is just so good. थोड़ा अच्छा कलर ट्राई कर लेती तो मे बी बेटर पिक होता, but this was peachy nude. Price is 788 rupees. That is the shade available on Amazon. You can check it out from here. I will have the purchase links mentioned in the description. Up next, I picked up a brow product because Nidhi actually just accidentally shaved her eyebrow off from the center. Literally नाशिक फाटा जैसा हाईवे क्रिएट कर दिया है मैंने यहाँ से. I just kept the razor here and मैंने निकाला तब तक वो उड़ चुके थे. So that was a disaster that just happened, but I cannot fix it much because वहाँ पे बाल ही नहीं बचे. मैं कुछ भी draw करूँ, it's gonna look fake. But जब the rest of the brow is dense, full, you know, वहां से ध्यान हट जाता है जो मैंने कांड कर दिया था. So I picked this brow product up because I so needed it. This was a new launch again from Fauculaire. It's their long lasting waterproof brow pomade. So they just have like 2 shades. उसमें से मैंने dark brown वाला color उठाया which was 02. That is the product on Amazon and इसका price ज़्यादा नहीं है. This retails for like 536 rupees. ठीक है, so basically you get like a pomade on one side यहाँ पे छोटू सा and on the other end you do get an angled brush. बहुत easy and travel friendly हो जाता है because अलग से brush carry नहीं करना पड़ता. Now talking about the pomade, जब मैंने ये open किया I was like ये ऐसा mustard brown color का क्या product है भाई. I ordered like a dark brown. मैंने check किया order के फिर से तो नहीं मैंने गलत order कर लिया या गलत कुछ आ गया but it was the correct shade BR02. तो डार्क ब्राउन होना चाहिए था because the color that they've provided is like proper dark brown but अंदर ये ऐसा mustard color क्यों दिख रहा था I did not understand. So I was like छड्डो जी यार अब try कर लो. So when I first did the brush in and I started to apply it, it just came out like a dark brown color just like the picture. ऐसा cool toned brow color है. So I was like so happy because जैसा वो color दिखता है वैसा है नहीं, थोड़ा dark translate होता है, सिर्फ ऊपर एक ऐसा लेयर है उसका. Okay, so it's very very easy. You can see it in the application part. It was so easy to draw my eyebrows with it. Plus the best part is that it does not transfer. It is a transfer proof product, perfect for the summertime because brow pomades they slip and slide during the summer. Heat में नहीं टिक पाते but this is a waterproof, a transfer proof brow product that's gonna stay. So I really loved it. Creamy but sets to a matte finish and it is just so easy and beginner friendly. I loved it. So 10 on 10 definitely. उसके बाद how could I not buy this viral product from Inside Cosmetics? I had to pick it up. It's the Radiance Filter from Inside. So basically हर brand ने अपना Halo Glow filter का version निकाल दिया है. So Mars also recently launched their God's Glow Illuminator. But इसमें जो मेरे पास deepest shade है वो मेरे skin tone पे work नहीं करता and I kind of feel like ये थोड़ा मुझ पे whitish लगता है just because of the color match. It's wrong. But then I saw Inside also come up with their own version of the Halo Glow liquid filter. So I had to try it out. तो मैंने ये उठा लिया. इसमें भी colors available थे. So I'll tell you. So इसमें 6 colors available है. Fair light, medium beige, medium sand, tan and espresso. I picked up shade number 5 which is tan and oh my god I'm literally screaming like क्या है ये product, क्या है. That is the packaging and firstly I love the packaging. इतना bulky नहीं बनाया उन्होंने like the ELF one. बहुत child friendly है. It's a plastic tube but it is just so child friendly. Again doe foot applicator है and that is the shade tan. So when you first apply it you can definitely make out that it does have a base given to it. आपके skin color के हिसाब से you have to choose and when you blend it out भाई it just blends into your skin जैसे कुछ था ही नहीं, leaving behind that ultimate glow. Oh my god, this just looks so damn pretty and भाई लिटरली मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ मैं ये एल्फ वाले से भी ज्यादा यूज करने वाली हूँ because that is what I'm wearing on my skin right now and my skin looks so good. Like अभी तो मैं कैमरा के सामने मैंने चेक किया, मैंने मोबाइल में चेक किया and मैं मिरर में जाके without any lights चेक करके आई. My skin just looks so pretty. I just cannot stop staring at myself like नजर ना लग जाए थू इतना ज्यादा सही लग रहा है. I'm just so happy. Like Inside you killed with this launch. It is like super super smooth. अगर आप मुझे पूछो Charlotte Tilbury का सबसे closest dupe किसने निकाला तो Inside ने निकाला है because this is just so good and the best part is that ये बिल्कुल भी tacky नहीं है. It is so lightweight, just turns matte but it would leave your skin looking dewy glowy. You get that and this is just so good, like the perfect filter. इसे मैंने makeup के नीचे भी लगाया and makeup के ऊपर भी लगाया. It did not move my base. I am loving it. This literally is just so smooth on my skin. आप देखो, you cannot detect at all the fine shimmer. It is just so finely milled. मुझे भी नहीं दिख रहा है यार, आंखों से आपको क्या ही दिखेगा. It is just so fine. ये देखो मेरे हाथ को. You can just find the glow but no shimmer. It is just reflecting like anything. Loved this product and all of this ऑल ऑफ दिस MRP 280, उस पर भी डिस्काउंट पे 252 रुपीज में मिल रहा है यार. ग्रैब इट बिफोर इट गोज आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज अनरियल. 252 लाइक killer. I am blown. This is like 1000% Nidhi approved. And इसका एकदम mild scent है. बिल्कुल overpowering अत्तर जैसा नहीं है, which I'm so glad. I just loved it यार. This is just so good. So good. ले लो. उसके बाद summer time is here now. If you're an OG Nidhi follower, you know how much I love the Infallible Pro Spray and Set makeup setting spray from L'Oreal Paris. It is literally it for me. Like मैंने 2-3 बॉटल खत्म कर दिए सेटिंग स्प्रे के. This just locks my makeup, waterproof, transfer proof and sweat proof बना देता है. This literally is so good that ये पहन के मैं रोई हूँ विदाई के समय पे, एंड शेरवानी पे सामने वाले के बिल्कुल मेकअप ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ था. This is literally just so good. एंड मेरा ड्राई स्किन टाइप है. मैंने कुछ लोगों का सुना था कि ये ऑयली स्किन पे इतना वर्क नहीं किया, बट आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट. मुझ पे तो इट जस्ट वर्क्स सो गुड. आई लव इट. एंड मैंने देखा कि L'Oreal came up with another one of their setting sprays जो waterproof, transfer proof, set proof बना देता है. I had to try it. Like without a second thought, I had to try it. So I purchased it. It's the Infallible 3-second setting mist from L'Oreal Paris, and they state 36 hours of no transfer. तो बहुत सही बात मुझे ये लगा कि ये ओपन करके ना ऐसा कंटिन्यूस मिस्टर वाला स्प्रे है, एंड इट्स फाइन मिस्ट दैट स्प्रेइंग. प्लस इसका वाइड स्प्रे हो रहा है, सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप छोटे स्पॉट्स पे कर रहे हो. दूर रखना है एंड दूर से स्प्रे करना है, बिकॉज ऐसा एरोसोल जैसा इसका स्प्रे है. एंड बिल्कुल ब्लॉची पैची स्प्रे नहीं है, वरना बहुत बारी ना फचाक करके स्प्रे कर जाता है, तो एट टाइम स्पॉट्स रह जाते हैं जब बड़े बूंद गिर जाते हैं, एंड देन इट ड्रिप्स फ्रॉम योर मेकअप, सो डज नॉट लुक गुड. बट इसका स्प्रे बहुत फाइन है एंड बहुत इवन है. व्हाट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट इट. नाउ एक चीज जो मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी कि इसमें थोड़ा परफ्यूम है. ऐसे लिटरली लगता है एज इफ यू आर स्प्रेइंग काइंड ऑफ परफ्यूम. एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग भी नहीं है, बट येस इट इज स्टिल देयर. I do have a clean tissue paper right here, so let's check whether this transfers or not. Okay. Woohoo! No transfer at all. अच्छा, एक चीज है कि इसका वाइड स्प्रेड एप्लीकेशन है, तो आपको थोड़ा पास से ही अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, वरना हर जगह स्प्रेड होएगा तो फेस पे नहीं आएगा. तो एकदम भी दूर से नहीं, एकदम भी पास से नहीं, थोड़ा इतने डिस्टेंस से यू हैव टू स्प्रे. बट इट डज डेफिनेटली मेक योर मेकअप ट्रांसफर प्रूफ, क्योंकि उससे पहले मैंने पेपर पे ट्राई किया. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे सारा मेरा बेस दिख रहा है आपको, बट विद द सेटिंग स्प्रे नो ट्रांसफर एट ऑल. सो परफेक्ट फॉर द समर टाइम. आई लव्ड इट. एंड डेफिनेटली ये साइड मेरा थोड़ा टाइट फील हो रहा है. भाई तो एक चीज मैं कहना जरूर चाहूंगी, मेरे बाल इज इट लाइक हेयर स्प्रे, बिकॉज जहां वो स्प्रे मेरे बालों पे गया, क्रंची कर दिए मेरे बाल. जब भी आप ये स्प्रे कर रहे हो, बाल पीछे लेके स्प्रे करना, बिकॉज बालों को हेयर स्प्रे जैसा कड़क कर दिया है इसने. बट एनीवेज, एंड द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट आई पिक्ड अप वाज फ्रॉम Maybelline. इट्स देयर टैटू स्टूडियो आईलाइनर इन ब्राउन. सो इनका स्मोकी ब्लैक वाला इज माय एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. आई लव दैट काजल. इट्स ब्लैक मैट, डज नॉट ट्रांसफर, perfect for the summertime as well. It just stays and does not give you panda eyes, and so I thought of getting the same in brown. It's perfect, and that is what I'm wearing on my upper lids, and I just smudged it out. It just gives such a nice soft brown look and बहुत natural लगता है. I totally loved it. It is super pigmented plus stays on without bleeding. It's transfer proof as well, so perfect for the summertime and natural looks. I loved it. Maybelline Tattoo Studio Kajal is available at a discounted price right now. You can check it out. ये available है 419 rupees, 30% slashed price पर. So ले लो. And yes, that was it. That was all for what's new in makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. सारे products के links नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Do check it out, and we shall meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep training.